The question is, and the big question is, in the national capital at this point, will Delhi have a froth-free festivity? Amid political blame game, river cleansing is currently underway. Delhi ghats are being spruced up. BJP versus AAP political war is currently on. This is the ruling BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party political war, wherein Aam Aadmi Party calls Yamuna cleaning an eyewash. They have come out to dare the Chief Minister, Mantris, to drink Yamuna water. Drink a litre of Yamuna water, then talk. This is the challenge that's been given to the current ruling outfit in the national capital. Chief Minister Rekha promises a frothless Chhath at the same time. And these are cleanup drives that have been underway since the very start of the BJP regime here, right after elections earlier this year. But the Aam Aadmi Party now has come out to give a challenge to the ruling outfit here, asking the Chief Minister to drink a litre of the Yamuna water and then speak on the matter. There's a war of words that's in fact underway on this very matter. Let's quickly listen in to both sides of this debate at this point.
और आज ये पूरी की पूरी यमुना यहाँ से लेके वहाँ तक किस तरह स्वच्छ है, किस तरह साफ है, किसी प्रकार का कोई झाग इत्यादि नहीं है। कर्मचारी अपने काम कर रहे हैं, लोग विभाग पूरी तरीके से मुस्तैद है, सरकार अपना काम कर रही है। एक दिव्य दीपावली और एक भव्य छठ दिल्ली में दी जाए, इसके लिए हम काम कर रहे हैं। और ये जो झूठी झूठी वीडियो दिखाते हैं, उन लोगों को मैं ये साफ साफ यमुना दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि ये पूरा का पूरा काम जो हो रहा है, और वो लोग ये झूठ भी फैलाएंगे कि जी कोई केमिकल है जो इस पे डाला जा रहा है। मैं बताना चाहती हूँ पूरी तरीके से एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली ग्रीन डिफॉर्मर इसमें यूज किया जा रहा है, जो पूरी तरीके से लैब टेस्टेड है।
वही केमिकल जो दिल्ली सरकार अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के समय में हम लोग स्प्रे करते थे, डीफोमिंग एजेंट्स, उसको प्रवेश वर्मा कहते थे कि ये नदी में जहर मिला रहे हैं, सब लोग मर जाएंगे। वही बिल्कुल वही केमिकल आप स्प्रे कर रहे हैं, और अब वही प्रवेश वर्मा का मंत्रालय दिल्ली जल बोर्ड उसको स्प्रे करा रहा है, और आप कह रहे हैं कि साहब देखिए हमने पोल्यूशन खत्म कर दिया। तो आप झूठ मत बोलिए, आप ये बोलिए कि हाँ, जैसे अरविंद केजरीवाल फोम हटाने के लिए काम करते थे वही हम भी कर रहे हैं। हम उनको करने नहीं देते थे, वहां हम तमाशा करते थे, ये लोग हमें नहीं तमाशा कर रहे, ये लोग रुक नहीं रहे हैं। तो ये बात साफ हो जानी चाहिए।
Shreya Chatterjee joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details and context into this very story at this point. Shreya, a very good evening to you. Let's understand what's being said here. The Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that they, during their regime, used to use the same chemicals. That's being used again by the BJP government now in power in the national capital.
Well, you know, whenever the Chhath Puja arrives, we see this kind of a brickbat between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. This year is no different. The Aam Aadmi Party resolved to the old video of the Bharatiya Janata Party, especially one where Parvesh Verma had actually raised an allegation that the kind of chemicals that were being used for the cleaning of the Yamuna river were not correct, and that was during the Aam Aadmi Party regime. So now the AAP says that why is the BJP using the same chemical? On the other hand, we saw Rekha Gupta, the Chief Minister of Delhi, take a round at different ghats for Chhath preparation. She was seen at the Vasudev Ghat in the national capital today, and she said that the chemicals that are being used by us are lab tested, and we also see that there is almost no foam present, and that's the reason this time it will be a good Chhath. So this is the response that is coming in from the BJP.
Right, Shreya, thank you for bringing us all those details and setting context to this debate. And as you've rightly mentioned, this Yamuna cleaning debate rages on in the national capital. The question still remains, the question of the hour still continues to be, will Yamuna be froth-free this festive season? And will the BJP be able to, in fact, get on this mission and succeed in this mission of cleaning the river Yamuna?